Welcome back to another video of Premiere Pro tutorial of beginner series. In this video we are going to look into the basic user interface of Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, after starting Premiere Pro, a small window pops up which allows you to create a new project, or you can continue with the old one. So in this case we are going to create a new project. After clicking on the new project, a new window will appear where you can set the project name and other bunch of different things. So I'm going to give the project name as class number 2, and after that you'll need to select the location where you want to save this project. It's completely up to you. You can save your project wherever you like. So moving into the general section, you can see video rendering and playback. Basically the software is allowing us to select our preferred renderer. If you click on this drop down menu, it shows different options to go with. Now some of you may notice that this Mercury playback engine GPU acceleration CUDA is missing. The reason for that, your PC or laptop doesn't include the graphic card renderer. So you can go with Mercury playback engine software only. And let me remind you that hardware is always faster than software. But anyway, you can go with whichever you want. And after that, we are going to set all these settings as default and press OK. Now you can see a different bunch of things which you can play around with. And this is your project window. Basically the project window allows users to import footages, audio files, images and so on. So to import your footage, just double click on your mouse or press Ctrl+I key on the keyboard and select the video which you want to import and just press open. And to preview your imported footage, just double click on your footage and it should appear in the source window. If you want, then you can preview your footage by pressing spacebar on the keyboard. The source window also allows us to do bunch of different things which we will be learning in future videos. And this is your timeline. Now what is timeline? Well, the timeline is the window where you can edit your video by adding the sequences. Currently there are no sequences present. In the future video we will learn how to create a sequence for your video, and this is your program window where you can preview your final results. And on your right side you can see an audio visualizer that shows the loudness of your audio. And if you look into the top, you can see different options which are called workspaces. If these options are not showing on your screen, then you can click to the window and select workspaces and you can find the same options there as well. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys have learned something, and in the next video we will be looking into the project window in detail. So this is Tricky for you, and your boy Harry signing out.